Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello fellow students, let me introduce myself. My name is Novilia M. Andini with NPM 2241217 from Accounting Study Program. In this video, I will explain about the management letter. Background management is a letter made by a public accounting firm addressed to the company management that is given its financial report or update, the contents of which inform the weaknesses of the company's internal control, both material and immaterial weaknesses found during the audit, accompanied by suggestions for improvement from the KAP. In carrying out its business activities, the KAP is not allowed to advertise its office or the service provided by its office because if it does so, it means that the KAP violates the Indonesian Public Accountant Code of Ethics set by the Indonesian Institute of Public Accountants or IAPI. One way to get clients is to work as well as possible in auditing a company's financial statements so that if the company is satisfied with the audit service from the KAP, it is hoped that the company's management will recommend to their business friendship to use the service of the KAP. In this case, the management letter is an additional report from the KAP in addition to the accountant's audit report, which is expected to increase client satisfaction. To study and evaluate internal control, public accountants can use internal control questionnaires, flowchart that describe the flow of document in processing a transaction from start to finish using certain symbols and using narrative memos. From the three events, public accountant will get an overview of internal control in the company. In theory, this still needs to be proven further by using compliance tests to determine whether the company's transactions are processed in accordance with the accounting system and procedures describe the internal control, questionnaires, flowchart, and narrative memos. In making a management letter, several important things need to be considered in order to produce good and effective background management. First is the management letter must be timely so that the company still has time to make improvements to its internal control. If the background management given late, it is like that weaknesses in internal control have resulted in errors and fraud that are detrimental to the company. That is, background management must contain useful and applicable suggestions. Third is comments and suggestions in the management letter should not be surprising because the concept of letter management must be discussed first with the company's management and related section and ask for comments from management. Fourth is letter management must be written using good, polite language and not offending others. The fifth is the weaknesses and suggestions given can be arranged based on the sequence of financial position and profit and loss report items or according to the most important things that require special attention from management and need to be handled as soon as possible. Sixth is the suggestion given must be adjusted to the company's business conditions and must show the goodwill of the public accounting firm to help develop the company's business. One or less, at the end of the letter management, don't forget to thank the management and all company staff for all the help and cooperation they have given while the factory's members are carrying out their inspections. Background management has many benefits not only for others but also for the KAP and the staff members of the KAP audit team. Benefits for clients, namely they can find out the weaknesses in their company's internal control and can take corrective actions to overcome these weaknesses based on the suggestions given in the letter management so that it can reduce the possibility of errors and fraud in the company. Benefits for public accounting firms, namely making the name of the public accounting firm better because in addition to the audit report, the accountant also provides a management letter that is very useful for the company. If the company management is satisfied, of course, they will recommend their business friends to use the service of the public accounting firm, and if the business friends are interested, of course, it will increase the number of public accounting firm clients. Benefits of background management for public accounting firm staff, members of the audit team, namely if the public accounting firm's client increase, of course, employee welfare can be improved, getting many opportunities to learn internal control in various types of companies and getting the opportunity to learn how to create good background management. So that's the explain about management later. That's all for this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.